Hi guys, it's me, and today we're looking at something very different from what you usually see in the tech world, but still equally important in its own right. This is the Fuel Injection Pump RE518166, designed specifically for John Deere engines like the 4045 and the 6068 series, and it's a critical part for loaders such as the 210L, 310G, 310 liters, 315SG, 315SK, 325J, and 410G. Now, when we think of engines, tractors, or heavy-duty equipment, the heart of it all comes down to how fuel is delivered, controlled, and optimized for power and efficiency. That's exactly what a fuel injection pump like this is built to handle. Let's break it down. At its core, the fuel injection pump is responsible for delivering fuel at high pressure directly into the combustion chamber of the engine. Unlike carburetors or older fuel systems, injection pumps like this one give you precision, better efficiency, and overall reliability. And when it comes to John Deere engines, which are often put through some of the toughest workloads, having a reliable injection pump is not just nice to have, it's absolutely essential. The RE518166 pump is tailored for heavy-duty operations. If you're running a loader or backhoe like the John Deere 310G or 315SG, you already know how demanding those engines can be when it comes to performance. This pump is engineered to match that demand by ensuring consistent fuel delivery, smoother operation, and minimized downtime. When we're talking about farm, construction, or industrial equipment, downtime costs money, and efficiency makes all the difference. One thing I really like about this particular model is that it's built to handle a wide range of applications. It supports engines like the 4045, which is a 4.5 liters, and the 6068, which is a 6.8 liters engine. Both of these engines are known for their durability and versatility across multiple John Deere machines. With the RE518166 fuel injection pump, you're basically getting a plug-and-play component that restores power output, fuel efficiency, and responsiveness back to factory-level performance. Now, let's talk about build quality. John Deere and its OEM suppliers don't mess around with cheap materials. The RE518166 pump is built with high-grade metals and precision machining. It's designed to withstand high operating pressures and continuous use without degrading quickly. That's important because fuel systems are one of the most sensitive parts of an engine. Any inconsistencies in pressure or flow can cause misfires, reduced efficiency, or even damage to other components. This pump avoids that by being engineered to incredibly tight tolerances. A lot of people ask, why invest in a genuine or high-quality replacement pump instead of going for a cheaper alternative? Here's the thing, fuel delivery is one of the most crucial aspects of engine performance. A knockoff or poorly engineered pump can lead to uneven fuel flow, excessive wear, or engine failure. When you're working with loaders, tractors, or construction machinery, that's not a risk you want to take. Genuine replacement pumps like the RE518166 are tested for compatibility, safety, and durability, which means you're not just buying a part, you're buying peace of mind. From an installation perspective, this pump is designed to be straightforward for professionals or skilled mechanics who are familiar with John Deere engines. Once installed, you'll immediately notice smoother idle, improved throttle response, and better overall engine efficiency. For machines like the John Deere 410G, which often deal with heavy lifting and earth-moving tasks, that translates into more power when you need it and less strain on the engine. Let's talk about performance benefits. With this pump, you're looking at better fuel atomization, which leads to more complete combustion. Improved horsepower and torque consistency. Reduced emissions due to efficient fuel burn. Increased fuel economy, which lowers your operating costs. Extended engine lifespan by minimizing wear and tear caused by poor combustion. Another big point worth mentioning is compatibility. This pump doesn't just fit one machine. It's compatible with the whole lineup of John Deere loaders and backhoes. That means if you have a mixed fleet of machines like the 310 liters, 315SK, or even the 325J, you won't have to worry about stocking multiple different pumps. That's a huge convenience for operators or companies running several units at once. Now, let's put this into real-world context. Imagine you're running a John Deere 210L loader on a big project. You're moving material, lifting, and working long hours. If your fuel pump isn't working properly, you're losing efficiency every single minute. That's not just wasted fuel, but also reduced